Google Gemini's new free updates are insane. You're wasting hours doing work that AI could finish in seconds. While you're manually creating presentations, AI is building entire websites. While you're reading through documents, AI is turning them into podcasts. The gap between people who know these tools and people who don't is getting wider every single day, and most of these updates are completely free. Google just dropped is honestly insane. Tools that turn messy notes into professional videos, build 3D worlds from a single sentence, design entire websites in under a minute. These aren't demos. These are real tools you can use right now. I'm going to show you exactly what these tools do and how to start using them today. Let's start with Notebook LM. You've probably heard about Notebook LM before. It's Google's AI research tool. The updates they just released completely change what it can do. First up, video overviews. You know those audio overviews everyone was obsessed with? The AI podcast feature where two AI hosts discuss your documents? They just added video. Upload your notes or documents. Notebook LM creates a video overview. Two AI hosts talking about your content, with visual aids, with slides, with presentation graphics. I tested this with a 20-page research document about AI automation. The video had both hosts discussing key points, showing graphs, breaking down complex ideas. It felt like watching an educational YouTube video about my own research. Next, data tables. Notebook LM takes messy sources and turns them into clean, organized tables. Export straight to Google Sheets. Doing competitive research? Articles about 5 different companies, pricing scattered everywhere, features in different places. Upload it to Notebook LM. Ask for a comparison table. Product names, pricing, features, ratings, all organized. I tested this with 20 different articles about AI tools, all talking about features and pricing differently. Notebook LM organized everything into a perfect comparison table, sourced, labeled, ready to use. Third, deep research. Notebook LM now searches the web for you. Give it a topic. It creates a research plan, finds hundreds of sources, reads them, analyzes them, compiles everything into a report with citations. I asked it to research AI video generation developments. Got a detailed report covering multiple companies, different approaches, recent breakthroughs, technical details, all cited and organized. Then turn that research into slides, videos, tables, whatever you need. Notebook LM just upgraded to Gemini 3. Better understanding, better reasoning, clearer summaries, deeper analysis. All free. Next tool, Project Genie. Create interactive 3D worlds from text prompts. Describe an environment. Pick how you want to explore it. Walking, flying, driving, describe your character. It generates a full 3D world you can move through in real time, not a video, an actual interactive world. Endless ocean with massive waves. You control a surfboard cutting through the water, seagulls flying around you, all generated from text. Snowy mountain landscape. You play as a climber with full movement. Snow deforms as you walk. Physics feel real. Runs at 720p resolution, 20 to 24 frames per second. The world generates around you as you explore. Uses Genie 3, Google's world model AI. Same technology for training AI agents and developing AGI systems. But there's a catch. Project Genie is only for Google AI Ultra subscribers. $250 per month. US only. 18 plus. Not free. But it shows where this technology is heading. Google plans to expand access over time. Current limitations. Worlds last 60 seconds. Might not look completely realistic. Characters can be hard to control. Physics aren't perfect. But the demos are impressive. And this is just the beginning. Now let's talk about Gemini Canvas. Canvas is a collaborative workspace in Gemini. Create documents, code, websites, presentations, infographics, quizzes, all in one place. Describe what you want. Gemini builds it in Canvas. Edit it. Get feedback. Ask for changes. Real time. Let me show you websites. Say you need a landing page for a coffee brand. You tell Canvas what you want. It generates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, creates the layout, adds interactive elements, and shows you a live preview. You can see it working as you type. No switching between tools, no copying code. Just describe what you want and watch it build. Someone tested this by asking Canvas to create a portfolio website, full navigation, project cards, contact form, responsive design. It took 30 seconds. Another person created a fitness app, input fields for workout preferences, dynamic training plan generator, printable calendar view, all functional, all hosted by Google through a shareable link. And you can keep iterating. Don't like the color scheme? Ask it to change. Want different sections? Tell it what to add? Need the tone more casual? It adjusts everything. This works for more than just websites. You can create infographics. Canvas will organize your information into visual layouts. Add charts, structure the content, make complex data easy to understand. You can create presentations, upload your research or notes. Canvas builds a full slide deck with images, with data visualization. Export it to Google Slides when you're done. You can create quizzes, upload study materials. Canvas generates custom questions, makes learning more interactive. You can share the link with others or use it yourself. The code generation is probably the most powerful part. Canvas can build working apps and games from simple descriptions, not just mock-ups, actual functional code. This is what people call vibe coding. You describe the vibe of what you want. The AI writes the code. You can preview it, edit it, ship it. One developer showed how they built a tic-tac-toe game, full game logic, visual interface, wind detection, all from one prompt. Another creator made an interactive quiz app, question database, score tracking, results page. Canvas generated everything and hosted it through a shareable link. Canvas is available to everyone. Free users get access to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers get Gemini 3 models with a larger context window, which means it can handle more complex projects. The basic version is completely free. You don't even need to create an account to start using it. Now let's talk about a few more updates that just dropped. Gemini 3 Flash is now the default model. This is their fastest, most efficient model. It handles everyday tasks at lightning speed, summarizing documents, analyzing data, extracting information, answering questions across images, audio, video, and text. The quality is impressive for how fast it is. I've been using it for research summaries, and it pulls out the key information without missing context. Then there's Gemini 3 Pro, available when you select thinking mode. This is for complex problems, advanced math, detailed code, multi-step reasoning. It's slower than Flash, but much more capable for difficult tasks. Both models are in the Gemini app right now. You can switch between them depending on what you need. Another update, Nano Banana Pro for image editing. This lets you edit images by circling, drawing, or annotating directly on them. You show Gemini where to make changes. It handles the rest. Want to change the background? Circle it. Want to remove an object? Draw around it. Want to add something new? Annotate where it should go. The editing is more precise than older AI image tools, and it's available in more countries now for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. There's also Gemini in Chrome. Rolling out on desktop. You can ask questions while browsing, get summaries of your open tabs, clarify concepts without leaving the page, all using the context of what you're looking at, and temporary chat mode just launched for when you want to explore questions privately. Those conversations don't get saved to your history. Don't train Google's models. Don't personalize your experience. Just a clean slate whenever you need it. All of these tools are designed around one idea, making AI actually useful for everyday work. Not just demos, not just hype, real tools that save real time. The people who learn how to use these effectively are going to have a massive advantage. They'll finish projects faster, produce better work, handle more complex tasks. The people who ignore this will keep doing everything manually, while AI does it in seconds.